2019 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, CD player, heated front seats, security system, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.